Today's video is another everyday makeup tutorial video, and I'm creating this look with the same eyeshadow palette I have already created two look. How with one palette you can create so many look, and this eyeshadow palette is from Miniso and the shade is 3 because they have different shades. First I will highlight my outer eyebrow, my outer eye and the inner corner of my eye with the lightest shade available in the palette, which is this one. I will take actually the smallest brush or my finger, anything will do, and I will highlight so you don't have to cross there, you just have to highlight this area, or you can use your finger. For my inner corner of the eye, I'm using my finger because I really want this area to be highlighted, and it's actually easy to apply with finger, or you can use the brush. Both are okay, in this way. Okay, so after highlighting my inner corner and my outer corner of my eye, what I will do, I will actually do the contouring, and I will use this shade for the contouring. This will work as a transition plus contouring shade. The technique is same. Either you have to close your eyes, not close your eyes, half open your eyes and do the contouring, or either you can, if you know your crease, then you can simply do in this way like I'm doing, or you can simply open your eyes and do it. So let's do it. This time I'm dragging it around my whole eye because this look is different than the look that I have created before. I'm also applying to the side of my eye. I will do the same procedure. Nothing is different for both eyes. Both of my eyes, they have equal eyeshadow. And I will blend it because we want blending. The shade that I will use now is this shade, and I will apply it on my lids. You can use your fingers. After applying on both of my eyes, and the transition shade and the shade which is on my lid, I will try to blend this lid shade into my transition shade, and it's not that difficult, it's so easy. You just have to move a brush and it will just get blended. You don't have to do much. Both of these shades together, and I will apply under my eye. And I'm using liquid eyeliner, which is the most difficult one, and I'm using this stamp one. What I need, I have to stamp my outer corner first, and then I will apply the liquid liner, and it has to go in this way. Okay. Uh-oh. See? So I have stamped my both of my eyes, and now I will fill it with the smaller one. So I don't want the dramatic look on my eye, so I'm not doing more. Let me do it off the camera. So I have applied the liquid eyeliner on both of my eyes, and then I will check it by rolling down my eyes. And it's a bit thicker here and a bit thinner here, so I will equal it, and rest is okay because your both eyes, they are never equal. What additional thing I will do, I will take my pencil, which is by Makeup by Forever, and I will fill my eyes in this way. My eyelashes will look more filler, and even if I don't apply any fake eyelashes, it will still look so dark here and so thick. It's always a struggle. And the second thing I will do, I will take my another pencil, which is the brown pencil. You can also take the brown eyeshadow either, or you can leave it as it is. You don't have to do this step, but I really feel that I should do it. And it's not something that I'm doing so harsh. All I don't want my lower eyelashes look dull and my upper eyelashes look so prominent. It does not look nice.